Occasionally, subscribers will stop interacting with your messages. So, you may consider launching a re engagement campaign to get them engaged with your emails once again. We're going to go to subscribers and then dormant subscribers. And that will bring up subscribers who haven't engaged with any messages in the last 90 days. You can change this time frame if you'd like. You can make it longer or you can make it shorter. We'll keep this as is, and we're going to save our segment as inactive subscribers, all one word. We'll now go over to our drafts and get our message ready to go to send out to our subscribers. What you would want to do with your re engagement email is you would want to reel your subscribers back in with something like a promotion, a freebie, or a coupon. In this example, we'll go with a coupon. We already have our coupon element in here. In this instance, we're going to give away a free recipe to our subscribers. You can always take the coupon element and add it into your message and then customize it as needed for this. We'll go ahead and save our message as it's ready to go. And when we're ready to send our broadcast, we're going to schedule the broadcast to our inactive subscriber segment. So we'll come in here and go ahead and choose that inactive subscriber segment. And then we'll go ahead and schedule out our message for the time we would like to send it out. You can also send it immediately if you'd like. Here is our message scheduled to our inactive subscribers, and it will only send to the subscribers in that inactive subscribers segment. After your message is sent, you can go back into subscribers, and after some time has passed, you can go in and see who did not open that specific message. From there, you can go ahead and delete the subscribers who did not open the message, and you can focus on your engaged subscribers moving forward.